In this tutorial, let's talk about drawing. So what can we do here? We can simply draw something and try to explain AI that I want to remove something. So let's try something like this. I'm selecting a draw option. I'm selecting red, size, standard. I'm in a draw mode. Please be sure that you're selecting a draw. So it's simply just to click it and you'll select draw. And let's remove something. Maybe I want to remove this rock. So let's try to, let's try to remove it. Remove the rock in a selected area. So we have NanoBanana, image editor, 2K, original, and just hit make. And let's see how it will go. And while we are waiting, let's select something more advanced. Maybe I'll select some trees. Yeah, maybe I'll just also type and prompt something that I want to replace them. Yeah, something like this. Let's select some few rocks and ask to replace them. Okay, replace the rocks in the selected areas with, I don't know. We should generally think what we want to put here. So we'll replace the rocks in the selected area with, I don't know. Maybe small chairs. Maybe with chairs. Yeah, let's see how it will go. We have the first result. Let's check it. So compare A to compare B. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfectly made. Now you see the difference. So it's also one of the options how you can use VisMaker. You can gently remove something from your images, and the same you can just remove, replace, or add something. So that's how VisMaker is helpful for you. You don't need also to use reference images only. So you can simply select the source image, select enlarge button, select the draw option, and yeah, you can select remove option to remove all our old drawings. And let's draw something here. I don't know. Let's select something like this. Replace the rocks. Okay, let's type. Let's make something. I want to make something with this wall. Make a solid wall without windows in a selected area. It is made. It's made of red bricks. And let's see how it will go. So generally, please make sure that you use all possibilities of the AI. This is quite funny. I'm really surprised, but let's check about stone removing, if it was okay. Yeah, perfectly. Like stones were removed. Now we have stone was removed, exactly what I was selecting. Now we have chair on display. So please remember that you can use different mixes. You can also connect your ideas. Yeah, like you can use after you'll finish this image, and this, connect them in the Photoshop and play around and remove something or add something. Simply you can also change some details on this building. So feel free to play with that. And let's wait a little bit to see the changes with the wall. And also remember that you can use also different engines. Yeah, it's only one of the presented engine, NanoBanana Pro, one of my favorite, but generally you can do anything with any engine. So yeah, this is a not so good example, but I'll explain you how we can fix it. So we compare A to compare B, large. Okay, sorry, let's do it again, but I'll compare it as a A, and this will be the B. And my idea, how I can use it, I will put it in the Photoshop. And I'll simply just remove part of the A image, like this part, and just mix images in Photoshop. Yeah, like I have now this image, and together I can do something like this. And it looks quite good. It's only, you should remember, it's part of the concept ideas, but it's very helpful, and I'm definitely recommending you to use it. So yeah, that's how you can use drawing options with your exterior environment options. So feel free to test it, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.